just flowing?
Hell yeah! Not all the way though.
Holy moly.
But at that rate, it's gonna take 3 days to drain it. Yo, I just feel bad for the motherfuckers down the road. They're about to get hit. You gonna want to get out of his way. Somebody right now is
Watch out,
so
CT.
happy. I'm so happy, man.
Holy moly.
Oh! Yeah. Oh, she's moving now.
Yeah, look at that. You got a riptide. Anybody got a surfboard?
Fucking blowhole.
That's nuts.
The other one plugged? Oh no, it's flowing. Ah, it might be. I think the other one plugged.
Might need to hit the gym with those chicken legs.
Alright.
There she is, little red.
Up down there somewhere too.
Hey, turn that board down.
There she is. In this movable chair, just chilling out. Yeah.
Yep. Keep pushing it.
Oh yeah, good tour. You like that fucking calls?
Look at what he just pulled out.
Oh.
Holy shit. That was just that bigger.
And that's who's gonna move the logs.
This fucking works, man.
It'd be fucking crazy if this thing worked. Mega plunger.
A little more. Here, you're blind. Get out of the way. All right, drop her down. Yup. 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 It's pushing shit out. Yes, dude. Fuck yeah.
It's like a big turd coming out.
This is working.
Don't let it go. Oh, you let it go.
Oh no.
Oh no, it broke. Did the tree come out the other side? It just went through. Yeah, it just got sucked out the other side. Look at that. Oh my God.
Dude, look at that spiral, bro.
That's nuts. Gurgle, gurgle.
Listen.
Look at it go down on the tree.
Look.
Good job on that tree.
Guess we didn't need a powerful jetter. All we needed was
wood. Just needed a little wood, baby. What do they call it? CC8 is honey pack this morning. I mean, you can tell this is a driving path for him. None of that's supposed to have water in it. Right here. A lot of people live in God's
maybe 8 hours later. This whole section was underwater. It went all the way to over here. It's still flowing out like crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, look at.